So hello everybody, welcome back into another video, and today we are covering AVA AI. So our AVA, it is a cryptocurrency project that merges artificial intelligence with blockchain technology. So this is developed by HoloWorld AI. It introduces the concept of AI agent virtual image tokens within the Solana ecosystem. So what is AVA AI? It represents a pioneering approach to integrating AI into the blockchain space. So it enables the creation of 3D avatars with distinct personalities, interactive capabilities, aiming to revolutionize digital interaction and virus industry. So the market overview of this is like 0.00195 USD. So the 24-hour trading volume that we have. So this is our 24-hour trading volume here. So the volume here, the token has price decline of about 4.5% in the last 24 hours and approximately 3.17. So this is the 1 week. So 3.17 over the past week. So it's been in a bearish decline, so that's pretty bad. But if you want to buy it, AVA.ai, AVA tokens can be traded on several centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. So first things first, we have HTX, Get.io. I'm using Get.io, but we have HTX here. So you can buy AVA.ai, and you can also see the graph on how this cryptocurrency is very volatile. So it's like I don't really recommend investing your money in this because it's been bearish. Yeah, we're pretty much bearish. That means we're in a decline. So it peaked somewhere in January, I believe. Then other than that, it's just been a decline. So if you want to, I guess, buy and sell here, day trade on this cryptocurrency, you can do it. I'm not gonna stop you. So you can buy it on HTX. There's also a live view here. I like it. I like HTX more because it's more detailed. And you also have BitGet. So BitGet, you have BitGet here. You can also use this to buy AVA.ai, cryptocurrency. And last but not the least, you can use Gate.io. You can also buy or sell this cryptocurrency if you want to. So Ava AI is positioned in leading as a leading project within the Solana ecosystem. It attracts attention from both investors and content creators. Its uniquely value proposition lies in its ability to combine blockchain with AI intelligence, creating versatile digital assets. So that's pretty cool, I guess. You can also visit the official Ava AI, you know, bot. So this is the Ava bot right here. You can just use this one, for trading, AI service and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. But I don't really suggest you guys invest in this cryptocurrency just because of how volatile and it's been in a decline recently. So but if you wanna do binary trading with this, I guess it works if you find like a website that allows you to binary trade AI. But we also have like really good cryptocurrency for the past week. So I'll just suggest you just using that. Just go trade on BTC ETH, the very well known cryptocurrency, and double check if you do really want to trade on AI. So yeah, guys, that's our video for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like the video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.